Hi there, friends. So today I'm going to discuss about the error key not found that gets while you are saving an agent in Oracle Fusion AI Agent Studio. So it's a common error that I have noticed in release with a version of 23C, 23D, and in fact even in until 25D and now in 26A. So it's a commonly occurring error. Let's see how it looks like. So here is a screenshot that I have. So this is an error, and this is in fact not an error. I would say this is like a warning. And after that, when you hit the publish button, then nothing happens. You can go ahead and publish it and start the rest of your Fusion agent creation cycle, which includes attaching the agent to agent team and then testing it and then finally deploying it to the agent chat. So, but why this error really comes on? So I have also encountered this error. So I have some solution. In fact, I've got two solutions. One of the most workable solution is in relation to the roles that gets assigned to the person who is working on the Fusion AI Agent Studio agent creation. Okay, so let's talk about those roles. So in order to fix it, you've got to create a role which is having these privileges and other roles. So basically, while you create a role, then there is a tab comes privilege. So you add the uh, privilege create and edit backends for visual. So the first step is you've got to create or in fact, you've got to add a privilege with a code of ORA, FND, TRAP, PRIV, which is for creating and editing backends for Visual Studio Builder. Okay. Then the next privilege is manage intelligent agent. And the description is basically it allows management of intelligent agent tools and documents. Then while you're creating the roles, you've got multiple steps out there. So one of the step is role hierarchy. And within that, you go and add this role, manage all intelligent agents, and it's got a role code of Aura FAI, manage all AI agents. And then the second role you've got to add is access group enablement, which is Aura ZCA access group enablement duty. So in my investigation, I found that I was missing both these roles in role hierarchy tab. So I've added them and the error had gone. Now, this is not the end. There are a few more things that you've got to do it. That includes under roles hierarchy tab, you've got a sub tab called as roles and permission groups, wherein you've got to add a role name called as FAI Gen AI Agent FIN Administrator Duty. So at that time, I was working on agent for looking up the invoices and further um, actions on them. So that requires the financial administrator role as well. So after adding this role, I have reran the test mode um, and the agent did not encounter the key not found. Likewise, I have also added the role FAI Gen AI Manager duty, which was also essential to a smooth functioning. So after adding these privileges and missing roles, you save the main role that you are creating for the AI agent and assign it to the user and then retest this issue. Hopefully the issue will be gone. The other thing is while I was investigating this particular issue, someone suggested me that this issue also comes due to a custom message is given at the prompt at the agent level. So custom prompt causes this, and then they suggested try switching it to default prompt and retest. So in my case, it didn't work, but the person claimed that it worked for him. Hence, I shared this solution with you so that you could potentially try this solution as well. So now let's go into Oracle Fusion AI Agent Studio Cloud, and I'm going to show you all these steps one by one. Okay. So I'm going to go into Fusion Applications Cloud. So here I am in Oracle Fusion AI Agent Studio. And before we proceed further, let's have a quick look at the release and version we are on. So I'm going to click on about this application. As you could see, we are on release 13 with a version of 26A, which I believe is the latest one at the moment. So I'm going to close this. And from here, I will simply go to the agent. And I was just working on one of the agents. Of let me query that. So this agent, I was working on AP invoices, and here I have a custom message in agent definition. So as you could see in the prompt, I have given this agent persona and role. Okay. Here I haven't given in fact anything at all. Now, no. Yeah. So here, so let's come to agent team. Let's try the agent team as well. So maybe it may be in draft mode. Let's try. Yeah, here it is. And here I'm gonna go and have a look in terms of the agent, which is over here. I'll go to view details, and as you could see, the prompt is this one. Okay, so this is a system prompt. I changed it after I was started receiving the error, and I've gone with someone's recommendation. I changed it, but earlier I had some other prompt. Okay, so after I changed it and updated the role with the given privileges and sub roles, the issue never occurred again. So you see, this is a worker agent. Okay, let's go back to that worker agent. Looks like I was not scrolling down. Okay, so here it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna say the details, and I'm gonna say details, and here it is. So basically, you've got to first remove it from the agent team, and then you will be able to edit it. Okay, so that is one of the options. The other option is in relation to the role. So I'm going to go to IT security manager and in security console, and then I will query the role that I have attached here. So AI. So this is a custom role that I have created, and I'm going to open this in edit role mode, and then you see I will just look at the privileges first. So go to function security policies, and here you've got the privileges. So the one that I was talking about was this one. So here you have create and edit backends for Visual Builder Studio. And the second one was manage intelligent agent. Okay. So these two privileges you must add. Apart from that, you see, these are other things. Don't have to worry about this. Okay. And then I was talking about the tab called as role hierarchy. So I will go to role hierarchy, and then I will look for the other roles and permission groups that you've got to add. So in roles and privileges tab, you've got to add this access groups enablement and then manage all AI agents. Once you have added that, then you go to roles and permission groups. And then here, as you could see, here I have added FAI Gen AI agent common administrator duty. So this is optional, but this since I'm working on finance related uh, agent creation, I must add FAI Gen AI agent FIN administrator duty and then FAI Gen AI manager duty. Okay. These must be added. Once you do that, then you go to summary and you hit save and close. So agent will be saved. And obviously, since you're using this role, you must have added to the user that you're working on. So if not, make sure this particular um role is added to one of the users listed. Or if it is not listed, then you can simply add your user under which you are working. Okay. Once you do that, then you simply go to next, which will take you to summary, and then you hit the save and close button. So we don't have to do that now since I've already saved it. So basically, that's the way in which you fix the error, which I have shown you in my presentation slide, key not found. Okay. So next time you go back after you do all this, you save your work and you log out, and then you re-log in, go to agent creation window, and then you try to update the agent and publish the agent again, and hopefully you'll not get this error.